Good morning, everybody. We are here. It's 51 degrees outside. It is cold outside right now. It's going to get like a high of the mid 50s. Nobody likes it, but we're still here anyway. We've got Giovanni first in the chat. What's going on, Giovanni? Giovanni, good morning to you, Nick F. What's going on, Nick F? Giovanni, Gorilla, Giovanni, next level, Giovanni. Chris, good morning to you. Next level, Giovanni, Notos. We got next level, Bender, Dark Bro, next level, Dark Bro, next level, Michael, Robert, Kombu, Dark Bro, Giovanni, Kombu, Dark Bro. All of you guys. So glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what is happening so far today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $9.19. AMC's down 3.29% today. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 706. Dead flat right now after bouncing nicely this morning on that Bitcoin fake out. The spot Bitcoin ETF was approved and then turned out to be fake news. Boom, and dropped right back down afterwards. So that's what you got going on right here. For Shiba Inu coin, 706 points, up 1% on the day, and the stagnation coming back into play. GameStop sitting at 1440, down 3.5% today. You got the QQQ sitting at 368 right now. 368, it is up 1% on the day today, might be coming back down here. The NASDAQ sitting up 1% right now, also might be hitting some intraday resistance and on its way back down. AMC, 919, down 3.5. GameStop, 414. No, 14.40. There you go. Down 3.5%. Dogecoin sitting at 5.9 cents. Ethereum sitting at 15.78. Shiba Inu coin 706. Bitcoin 28.107. The SPY sitting at 435.96. QQQ 368.79. Mullen Auto sitting at 35.8 cents. Woo! All-time low on Mullen Auto. Look, you can't even see it. It's so low. Wow. I can't even zoom in any further. I gotta actually like zoom in time frame. All-time low being hit on Mullen Auto here, so please keep an eye out for that, guys. Sitting at 35.86 cents right now. That's low, man. What is the market cap on Mullen Auto? $66 million. I'm telling you, man, it's a cheap company, but all they ever do is lose. It's ridiculous. You've got Sundial sitting at $157. You've got Netflix, $358.53. Highcroft Mining sitting at $30.19 right now. MPW sitting at $4.90 after bouncing off $4.79. Tesla might be throwing some reds on the screen. Tesla $251.63 right now. Big old red candle coming in on there. Big, well, it was up over 1% earlier today. And now it's sitting at a 0.20% gain. So Tesla getting hit pretty hard there on the last minute. Joby sitting at 623 and TMC sitting at 88.79 cents. We're going to watch Bitcoin down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Hopefully we get another bounce there. Kombu says, ladies and brodelmen, welcome to the live stream. Kombu, welcome to the live stream as well. Dark Bro, sorry for clob or something. I don't even know what's going on. Oh, you guys might be talking about fantasy football. Let's get it, Giovanni. I got my first win in fantasy football this weekend. Bronson, thank you very much for letting me win. But I do have to say, Moji helped me out. Moji coming in with a step-by-step on how to pick up a free agent, so absolutely appreciate that, Moji. I think it's awesome you guys are helping me out, because I literally don't know how to play fantasy football, so I got my first win this weekend, absolutely enjoying it. I'm on the board, ladies and gentlemen. I think I'm what? Am I 5-1 now? After week 6, 5-1? Or 1-5. 5-1 would insinuate that I've already won 5 times. I'm pretty sure I'm 1-5. Looking good. Woo! Clever the fantasy football win. Hope we don't create a monster now. Oh, I've got the winds running through my veins, Moji. Ooh, I'm going to win next week, too. It feels too good to go back to losses. That's not going to happen, man. Nobody wants a loss. Nobody wants a loss. Tell me, when Shib to, what is that, 1/100th of a Shib? Or 1/100th of a cent, not a Shib. Look, dude, Shiba Inu coin can hit that level if a couple things occur. Burns, hyperinflation, or trillions of dollars in institutional inflow. So that's what I'm going to be going on with there. And trillions of dollars in institutional inflow, hyperinflation, or major 90+% burns occurring in Shiba Inu coin. Overall market, guys, all right, throwing some green lines on there. You notice we just had Tesla throwing some major green lines after a big old red line. You've got the overall market. I'm sitting here watching on the left, throwing a couple green lines on there. The QQQ throwing a couple green lines on there. And I believe that it might be Tesla's fault for bouncing back up a stinking dollar, guys. It was just at a 0.24% gain at 251.60. Jumps all the way up an entire dollar on essentially no news. Just two very large green candles coming in. And get some action going on right there. I'm not surprised on Mullen. I've lost so much money on Mullen. I'm glad I got out when I did. Giovanni, dude, I forget. What was Mullen at back in May? Because back in May was my last Mullen trade, and it was 24 cents. I believe it was like 24 cents or 25 cents. I could be wrong on that. But that was pre-split, dude. So that was this one. It's already 1 for 25 and 1 for 9. Essentially a 225 for 1 reverse split since that time frame, and right back down to about the same price. So, dude, I would have had 225th of what I have right now if I would have stayed in at these levels. The price equivalent was 15, 16 bucks, man. Think about that. Price equivalent that I had it at could have been, I think it reverse split the next day, man. I think I was in on this day right here, and then boom, tanked down. So it may have actually been 20 bucks. That is nuts, dude. It may have actually been 20 bucks that I was in at on there, and now it's all the way down to 35 cents. Mullen Auto does nothing but go down. Tesla, on the other hand, Tesla actually showing some strength right now, guys. I don't know why it's bouncing the way that it is, but these green candles are forming on the screen right now, and they don't want to go anywhere but up. Watch out, though, because Tesla throwing some horizontal resistance on the screen in this area right here, and it's coming back up to potentially test that. Currently testing the lower end of these candles right here. Could be running into some resistance, might turn back around, so we'll keep an eye on that one. But the overall market actually doing pretty well today. Overall market up 1% basically across the board right now. QQQ's up, SPY's up. QQQ represents the NASDAQ. It's up 1%. So actually you got some pretty good gains going across the board right now. Not bad, but Tesla trying to bounce back and bring those bad boys to the upside. We'll keep it. Clear, bro. Look at the 7-day chart on Elmo. Dark, bro. Will do. Elmo actually, I'm pretty sure it's the right one. I didn't go in and check, but Elmo followed me on Twitter this morning, which was kind of weird because we talk about Elmo on the live streams, right? But I've never done a video on Elmo before. So let's look at the 7-day chart of Elmo, ERC. Elmo sitting up 4% on the day today to 0.5 cent. 7-day chart is looking pretty choppy right here, but the 7-day chart is up about 10%. Very interesting price action. Dark, bro, man. I don't know. I would imagine these might be legitimate swings. They seem to be about 10 to 20% swings here. Now, it does make you wonder if it's legitimate or if it's just bouncing back and forth between this L Bank price. That's what I'd be looking at right here. So L Bank apparently does have $38 in volume. Now, if this is a legitimate arbitrage situation, I'd go into L Bank right now, buy everything they have, move it over to MEXC, and sell that bad boy. I mean, legitimately. You know, you get $79,000 worth of volume going on here and only $38 worth of volume going on here. If you can move it over, and if L Bank, if you can buy, I don't know, $100, $200, $300, if you could buy some money on L Bank, swap it over to MEXC, and sell it on MEXC for 5.2 cents, you guys are making 25%. Right there. For basically doing nothing but moving it from one exchange to another. So keep an eye on that, guys. I don't know if that's a legitimate thing that you could be doing right now or not. But yeah, if you can grab it on L Bank for 4.3 cents. I don't have access to L Bank. I don't have access to MEXC. But if you can, move it over to MEXC. You guys might be able to arbitrage some. Oh my gosh, you can't even see it. You can't even see it. How lame is that? It's right there, man. Right there. Yeah, so what I was saying is, if you guys want to see it again, MEXC is selling Elmo for 5.0052, right? L Bank selling it for 0.0043. If this is a legitimate price, knowing that $38 has been sold on L Bank, if you can go grab it on L Bank for 0.0043, sell it on MEXC for 0.0052, dude, arbitrage that all day long, man. Just take it all off L Bank and move it over to MEXC. I'm not going to get mad at you for doing it. I say do it. I say do it. Clay, congratulations. It's your first win of the season. Why did you do it to me? Because I don't get you in on puts, probably. Yeah, that was it. That was it. You're leaving me out of all the gains, Bronson. I had to do it to somebody, so it might as well have been you. Bronson, nah, dude. I probably would have lost too. But if you want to blame it on somebody, blame it on Moji. Moji helped me, man. I had no idea how to pick up a free agent. And then Moji told me how to pick up a free agent. So I actually don't know if I would have lost. I didn't look at the total points, but I would have been down a running back if I didn't know how to pick up a free agent. I went and picked up a free agent, I think, Saturday night or Saturday or something, and ended up grabbing me a few points there. So yeah, man, could have been another loss for me, but it turned out to be a victory, and I am grateful. Clay, you and Jones will never snigger about your mower problems again. Mine wouldn't start, tore the carb apart, clogged jets, and runs like a champ now. Boom, baby. I love it. Moji, man. Dude, I don't know why we're all having problems with our mowers this year, but Moji taking his mower to the next level with a brand new cleaned out carburetor. Congratulations on that one, man. So now we know how to clean the jets on the carbs. Now we know how to replace or fix the drive belt. We also know how to unstuck a stuck motor. So long as, of course, your piston doesn't blow through the cylinder wall or something like that. Yeah, so we've actually got a lot of mower experience in here now. Sold Mullen not too long after the split. Yeah, Giovanni, man, after that split would have been a pretty tough time to sell because it would have been down, but congratulations on getting out of it. Keep one share of Mullen down 99 point... Woo! Tommy, isn't that insane, dude? 90, that's basically 1/1000th of what you would have had. 99.7% loss. Dude, these, and you know what? They're probably like, this is a great company. We're going to be doing very well. This is awesome. So that's nuts. You keep a place marker there, Tommy, that's down 99.7% right now. Clay, just tuned in. What's your thoughts on the fake news from today? Bitcoin's still looking good, or is this something that can destroy the gains for now? Oh, no, so Robbie, I think the gains have already been destroyed for Bitcoin, right? If you're looking at Bitcoin's price action this morning, the major gains came in right here, jumping all the way up to 30,000. Boom! Beautiful, beautiful rally, and then right back down as people began to realize it was fake news. So I look, if you're looking at this chart, not a horizontal, I want a trend line. If you're looking at this chart, just the recent gains that you can see here, look, we're still following this perfect. We had a little bit of a bottom in this area, 27.6, and we got ourselves a nice little rally. You can see it right here better. I'll make it bold. So if you just erase this, if you erase the fake news right here, okay, we're still, erase that fake news. Just pretend this line's right here. You had a little bit of a pull away from this trend line, right back down to this trend line. We might be pulling away from this trend line right now, but we'll most likely come right back down to this trend line. So we do have resistance in this 28.6 area, and we might test this 28.6 area today. I don't know, but we've already accounted for the fake news, okay? We've already run up. We've come back down. We've already accounted for this fake news here. So I wouldn't be terribly concerned that this is going to be good or bad. It's basically already forgotten. So knowing that, I think we're just fine with what we're doing today. Ignore this area right here. But what do you learn from this area? This is what Bitcoin wants to do. This is what Bitcoin wants to do on that news. Now, this could have been testing resistance at 30,000 and then pulling back. That could be what simply this is right here. But after it pulls back a little bit and people realize that it was fake news, that's why it came all the way back down. If Bitcoin's ETF does get approved, what we could end up seeing is a very easy break of that 30,000 level and a continuation on to the upside with Bitcoin there. So yes, I believe that the biggest lesson that we can learn is Bitcoin wants to run if it gets that spot ETF approval. So just keep your eye on that, man. That brings us right back to where? I'm not going to leave all these lines on the screen. We'll get rid of some of these here. But we'll watch Bitcoin play out throughout the rest of the morning, see if we can get any more volatility, any more spikes going on. Tesla must be bouncing back a little bit. Yeah, Tesla throwing a green line on there. You got the overall market coming back up to test 369 here. It's throwing those green lines. Overall market's actually following Tesla pretty good right now. If you notice a big green line, Tesla's got a big green line right there. So if Tesla ends up breaking back up to the upside, the overall market might break back up to the upside. But Tesla having a pretty heavy hand in what the QQQ is doing at the minute here, and getting ready to retest that 369 level of resistance. We'll see if it plays out or not. If it comes back down with some red lines, we'll see what happens there. But that's what we got. We're going to keep Bitcoin on the chart, though, and see what happens. Coffee, Michael. You like coffee as well, don't we all? Same with that team, Bronson. I know my guys go on the bus, but forgotten what sport they were playing. Dude, my guys, they sit under the bus, and then they get ran over, and then they're all hurt. I had like 8 guys that were questionable. It's pretty ridiculous how easily these guys get hurt. Bears lost when Fields went down. I don't even know if that's a true statement or not. Oh, man. I tanked my weekend in fantasy. Well, hopefully it didn't tank your weekend overall, just in life, man. I have a long position for Gala at 013. Do you think it bottomed at 013? Michael, I hope that it bottomed at 013. So we can pull Gala up for a second here, but I don't know. I mean, that's just the short answer of it. I don't know if it's going to be bottoming or not, but I believe one of the reasons that it was falling is because the founders were having issues with one another. So if they continue to have issues and they can't work things out, then obviously Gala can continue to the downside. But let's see where you're at right here. You got it at 013, and it's basically still right at 013. This seems to be hopefully a level, and I don't know if you got it exactly at 013. 01323. All right. 01323. Not a bad pickup at 01323 here with this little spike down, getting in this area. Let's look at the monthly chart. So, that is a very strong level of support that you got it at. Testing that level back in September and testing that level again back in last week now. If you look at the annual, okay, it's still a bearish chart, dude, but you've got some shorter term levels of support in those areas that we just talked about at 013. So looking at the annual chart, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to say if that's the absolute bottom or not, because we can hit lower levels. You can see here 006. I mean, it's clearly lower. That's half price of what you got it at. 001, if you go all the way back to where it came out. But, dude, so many more people know about Gala now than they knew about Gala way back here. So I would imagine you're going to sustain higher prices than these bear market levels, but it still looks like a bearish chart to me is what I'm saying. I can't say that's definitely going to be the bottom, but I hope that's the bottom, man. If we get some spot ETF approvals for Bitcoin, if institutional money begins to flow into the crypto space, I would say that you're going to be looking pretty healthy there. So that's my hopes, man, is that the crypto market begins to turn around. Jeez, think about what the price would be now if it was... Oh, yeah, dude, if the news was real, Robbie, if the news was real, there's really no saying what the price would be. But, you know, you look at it here. In this major fall back, it would have gotten held up at 30,000. Okay? 30,000 is just a nice significant number where we've seen resistance before in this area. And we would have hit resistance at 30,000, right? There's no doubt that you would have hit some technical resistance there. But, dude, looking at it, this major pullback was only because it was fake news. We might be sitting right now at 29.6. We might be testing 30,000. If it breaks through it, dude, we're going 31, 32, possibly testing 36. So, yeah, I would have loved if that news would have been real there. And of course, it jumped up nicely in about a 5-minute period and then right back down over the next 15 minutes as people realized what was going on. But, yeah, dude, if it turns out that news is real, or when that news does become real, that's when we're really going to see what Bitcoin's capable of. Why was Gala taken off Coinbase? Bender. I don't know. Coinbase has delisted a lot of coins for SEC security reasons. So I don't know if that was one of the reasons Gala was taken off or not. But they don't want to mess with the SEC. So that's why a lot of coins have been removed from Coinbase. I just don't know if that's why Gala was removed from Coinbase. Where are all these Shiba burns happening? Which Shiba burns? Are you talking about the like 250% increase in Shiba burns that you've been reading about today? Or are you talking about a different one, man? I was looking at Kadena today. Would it be able to get back up to its all-time high, or is it diluted the franchise? Let's look at that right after I say Michael Allen. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. Michael Allen. Thank you very much for the super chat, Mike. Absolutely appreciate that, man. And anybody else in here wanting a king fist bump? You got it right there. Mike, man, thank you very much for that. Let's check out Kadena really quick. Next level, getting fourth. FUD, Shib burns, biggest spending my monies, Clay's fantasy team, Gala, Dark Bro not winning the lottery Saturday, all of it results in a beautiful fist bump. Thank you very much, Michael. Okay, another day, another dollar. Literally, today's return. $1. Very nice, Chris. Dollar's better than a loss, man. I'll tell you that right now. Dollar is always better than a loss. All right, what are we going? Clay, fantasy football win streak ends next week. You wish, man. You wish. My streak doesn't end now until the Super Bowl. So let that sink in, man. My streak doesn't end until the Super Bowl. Kadena. Let's look at this bad boy. So, I do think you should worry about dilution on Kadena. But like I say, I don't know why there's only 250 million in circulation right now. The total supply is 1 billion. I don't know if Kadena is mineable, and these coins just haven't been mined. I don't know if these coins are staked. I don't know if these coins are locked up for developer rewards. I don't know what Kadena does. So knowing that 25% of the supply is outstanding, you may have to deal with dilution if it's not a mineable coin. If it's a mineable coin, you know, that's obviously to reward the blockchain and so on. So can it get back up to its all-time high? Excellent question. Yeah, it's a possibility, man. So if you're looking at the market cap here, the market cap follows the price perfectly, which is excellent. That's what you want to see. So it's not down because they're diluting the coin. And right now, you're sitting at, it's like $33.5 billion all-time highs, or billion-dollar market cap highs, with a current $108 million market cap. That would be a 35x increase to get back up to these all-time highs. 35x increase, it gets you to about that all-time high price. So, yeah, if you believe that Kadena is going to catch on during the next bull market, the same way that it caught on during this bull market here, then I would say, yes, the all-time highs can be hit. If it's not one of the most popular coins, if it's not running at the same extent that it was before, you know, I wouldn't worry about dilution factoring into the price action. this seems as though it might be a mineable coin to me. And that's why only 25% of the supply is outstanding. Clearly, I could be wrong on that. But that's just my assumption based off seeing it immediately there. There are specific miners built to mine Kadena. Gotcha. All right, so it is a mineable coin then. JB says it's a mineable coin there. So it's not necessarily an assumption anymore, but it could be proven, and that's why you're only at 25% of the supply that's outstanding there. So JB, man, thanks for shedding some light on Kadena there. Appreciate you on that one, dude. You can mine Kadena. Yes, Chargers over Cowboys tonight. Let's get started. Michael wants Chargers. There you go, dude. Will there be a designated platform or channel where the community can watch the live burns in real time? Caveman, so I don't think that there's a dedicated channel, but if you want to see burns coming across in real time, you can see burns coming across in real time on Shib Burn's website. So if you come out to shibburn.com, you can see all of these transactions. So we'll let this load up here, refresh it just in case. So yeah, if you want to see these transactions come across, man. Somebody burnt 52,000 Shiba Inu coin an hour ago. Somebody burnt 3 million Shiba Inu coin 4 hours ago. Somebody burnt 3.7 million Shib 5 hours ago. Somebody built 1.45 million Shiba Inu coin 6 hours ago, 7 hours ago, 9 hours ago, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12. So you can see the burns come across. I mean, as they come across, it's not, I don't know if it's necessarily exciting to sit here and watch these, come across live. So if you want to check out Shib Burn, you can check out Shib Burn and see the burns come across as they happen there. It's up to you. What steps are taken to verify the legitimacy and transparency of the burn process? If you're talking about Shiba Inu coin, anything sent to this wallet talking about Shiba Inu coin, man, anything sent to this wallet here is burnt forever. It's got to load. This null address. You cannot get coins back from this wallet. You're only ever going to see in transactions. Nobody is sending out transactions. So 3 hours ago, man, 3 hours and 48 minutes ago, you had this 3 million Shiba Inu coin coming in. 9 hours ago, 477,000, 482,000, 487, 491. This is the address here for Shiba Inu coins that are going to the official burn address. Come back out. This is the one that Vitalik sent the 400 trillion Shib to. That's why it's holding $2.8 billion worth of Shiba Inu coin that can essentially, if we believe the burns, right, never be recovered. So that's what you're looking at in terms of legitimacy of the burns, as to whether or not it goes to that address, a different address, and so on. I have him in my money league. Moji, something. Vegas Inu token. Is it a good one? Is it a bad one? I don't even know. They had 250% burns. Where are they happening? Or is it just people burning in the burn wallet? Just people burning in the burn wallet, Giovanni. And the 250% increase, it's still very low burns, man. They're only up to about 50-something million Shiba Inu coin burned over the last 24 hours. Hey, Clay, punch the Cowboys in the face. Michael, I will, man. Just first, tell me, how's it going? Hey, Michael, man. How's it going? Hey, Michael. How's it going? Michael. How's it going? Mike, man, thank you very much for the super chat. And I'll punch the Cowboys right in the face. I'll say, hey, Cowboys, let's go do some plumbing. And then, boom! Knock them out. As you guys can see, though, feeling a lot better. Don't really have any scabs sitting on my face anymore, so it's good news. Good news in terms of no scabs sitting on my face after punching myself pretty hard right in the noggin. Clay, do you remember the one time Shiba surpassed Doge a couple of years ago? Good times. Good times. Very good times, Giovanni. Very good times. I do remember, man, and I absolutely hope that it would happen again. What do we got here, man? Tesla. I want to know if you guys say, is Tesla going to break out to the upside? Tesla looks like it really wants to break out to the upside. right here, and it's pulling the overall market with it. The overall market coming back up and testing these recent highs, and it looks like it's about to break back to the upside as well. 369.30 right there. It's been rejected a couple times off that level, but looking like it wants to break back up at the moment. Started to curl back over, but finding some support right here at the previous level of resistance. Boom, ticked it once, tried, on its way back up right now. We'll see if it curls back over or what ends up happening with the overall market. But 1.2% gain on the NASDAQ, man. It is a strong day for the overall stock market, and a lot of that strength is coming from Tesla, man. So keep an eye on that as well. Got to hit yard work before it hits 104 degrees today. Moji, it's going to be 54 degrees here and 154 degrees there. Moji, that's insane, my friend. That's insane. Clay, you wearing makeup to cover this car? No. If you guys want to check it out, can you see? I don't know if you can see the. You can still see this. It's on there a little bit. I don't really have anything there. Well, I'll go. Can you go like this? I mean, no makeup. Would that have taken it off? I don't know. I don't know if that takes it off or not. Does that take makeup off? Who the heck knows, man? Because I don't know. Thoughts on Vegas Inu. So I have not looked up Vegas Inu. Is it still in pre-sale, or what's the deal with Vegas Inu here? Does it show up on CoinMarketCap yet? No, does not show up on CoinMarketCap yet. So I don't know anything about Vegas Inu's pre-sale. I don't know anything about Vegas Inu's pre-sales. I'm not a huge fan of tokens that go through pre-sales. So I guess just know that. I'm not going to be a huge fan of it until it's actually out and you get some actual demand coming in. Hey, hit me in the face with an ad. Now that I can do, JB. It's 4:30. Guess what time it is? Time for an ad. Oh, yes. Guys, let me know if you skipped the second ad. If you skipped the second ad, you throw 2 ad views at me. Appreciate you guys for doing that. Hey, did you hit it with an ad? Ooh, old rounder, I did. Let me know if you guys got the ad or not. Not me, Michael, you got it anyway. Chargers better bring their A game tonight because the Cowboys didn't play 2 bad games. Don't play 2 bad games in a row. They got something to prove tonight. Next level. Is that true, guys? I don't know if the Cowboys don't play 2 bad games in a row. I know a lot of teams that play 2 bad games in a row. 3 bad, 4 bad, 5 bad games in a row. I know a lot of teams that really don't think they want to win. They just go out there to stand on the field. Hurrah! No ignore. RML. Is RML the name of a token? Is that a ticker? I'll look it up. Remember when Casper came out? 775 Brie guy. Glory days, man. 200x ago? Yeah. Don't you wish you would have bought some Caspa when it came out, Brie guy? As if somebody would have told you, maybe buy some Caspa when it comes out. Would have been nice if you had some of that advice. In 1 week after pre-sale, Vegas Inu has a $2 million market cap. Vegas Inu is out. Where is it traded? Because I can't find it on CoinMarketCap. Where do you find Vegas Inu at? Dude, I don't see Vegas Inu even on Dex Tools, man. Oh, that's BNB. It's an Ethereum token? Dude, I don't know where you guys are finding Vegas Inu. I truly don't. If I knew, I would definitely go look at it, but I have no idea where you guys are finding it. So I was on, dude, I just looked on Dex Tools, man. You guys just saw that I looked on Dex Tools. Chargers also have something to prove. They continually try to lose the game in the fourth quarter, but their defense keeps saying, the head coach won't let that continue if he gets his way. Ooh, we got a good game coming on for Chargers versus Cowboys now, guys. Both teams have something to prove, and we're going to find out who proves it the best. Got an ad, Google 4 lines, $80. You can get 4 lines on Google's cell phone service for $80. Binance Smart Chain, Vegas Inu, VIT. Dude, if you guys are pulling fake news on me, alright? If you guys are pulling some fake news on me, I don't know what to tell you. Binance Smart Chain. VIT! I see it's right here! Alright, hold on. I can pull it up. Is this it? Is this it? Is this what you're talking about with Vegas Inu? We finally found it. Problem with the Cowboys at the moment is their online is banged up. Their online? Offensive line. Not online. I think the selling point for Shiba is that for $7, you get 1 million tokens. And then people can think it will reach $1 and be a millionaire. Yeah, Giovanni. So that I believe is one of the reasons a lot of these tokens have come out with such small amounts. You can buy 1 million of them. Even if they don't realize that, when something like Shinja has to go to a 5 septillion million bazillion dollar market cap to reach $1, they still believe it's possible, man. They still believe it's possible. So they go and they buy in. So I do believe that's a lot. It has a lot to do with the marketing aspect of Shiba Inu coin and all of the other little tiny priced tokens. Michael Cornell Deck is going to be fighting for his job, so I expect a big game out of him tonight. Whoever the heck that guy is. Made it. Suzuki's here, man. December DeMarco is one of the developers for Vegas Inu. Interesting. Yes, next, if he doesn't get better, they would trade him for some pocket lint and a bag of Skittles. Well, that's mean. Congratulations, David. I finally found it. Yes, high rollers, baby. Let's go. Looks like a very stable chart. Looks like a very... Dude, here's what I'm noticing. Look at the chart of Vegas Inu. Okay, you guys can see it. And then look at the chart for... Let's pull it up here. And then look at the chart for another very famous Inu. No difference. Look. No difference there. All of the Inus. They must be going out to go to the bathroom or something right now. That's what you got going on. Shiba Inu, Vegas Inu. Shiba Inu, Vegas Inu. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I could draw any sort of pasta retracements on Shiba Inu's chart or on Vegas Inu's chart. I mean, this is a 1 minute chart. Let's see if we get some better action on like an hour chart. Holy smokes, dude. Oh, dude, Vegas Inu does not have a bad hour chart at all. Oh, don't do this to me, man. Don't mess my chart up. Yeah, that's not a bad hour chart at all, man. 6 zeros and a 3, up to 5 zeros and a 3. 10xing, essentially, since it came out. That's not a bad chart at all. In terms of volume, what does this cost? I don't know if that's in dollars or what, but volume still seems pretty low. Liquidity, it's got $163,000 locked up in the liquidity pool. Not bad. Only 300 holders. Total market cap of $2 million. Total supply, $999 billion. And it's done $16,000 over the last 24 hours. So that's not bad. And look, it's got a... Look at those taxes. Holy smokes. All right, so one thing you got to look at. This is... you guys are going to make me do it, aren't you? You guys are going to make me do it. I got to see. Where's their website? Let's see if... Oh, dude, it's good that it's verified non-honeypot. That's excellent. What are the tokenomics? All of you Vegas Inu people in here. Since I can't find the website. What are the tokenomics, man? How much is December DeMarco and these guys walking away with, knowing that there is like a 25% tax before you can buy and sell? This is a ridiculously high tax, man. Now, there are 5 alerts. Buy tax is ridiculous. The sell tax is ridiculous. And the tax can be modified. Creator's address. All right. I don't know what the website is, so I can't see the tokenomics of this coin right here. But guys, if these guys are walking away, and I don't know what they're burning out of this, but if these guys are walking away with 25% of every transaction, man, that's a lot. It's $16,000 in volume over the last 24 hours. You know, they've already walked away with at least $2,000. At least $2,000. So... Oh, jeez. No website yet. All organic growth. Dude, they need a website, though, because how else am I supposed to know what those ridiculous taxes are going towards? 7% more. You got to watch out for that marketing, though. You guys are telling me. And look, this has nothing to do with, you know, the December DeMarco or any other YouTuber that makes a coin like that. There might be a bro coin one day. All right? But you just got to be careful. 7% tax going to marketing. If December is the marketing platform, that's a lot of money going to that dude. I mean, 7% is a very, very large tax to pay directly to somebody promoting it. 7% overall tax, I mean that's not that bad. We pay 7% taxes on every transaction we make, but it's you just got to watch out for it, guys. Just beware, bros. Yes, Vegas Inu is pumping, but don't be the next guy's exit liquidity. Don't do it. Never, ever, ever do it. You don't want to be anybody's exit liquidity, man. Push of the tax goes back to holders. All right, so it's got the reflections. Does it have a burn tax on it? Is part of it go to the burn tax? Oh, reflections are back. Let's go Titano to the moon, baby. To the moon, to the moon, to the moon. Vegas Inu only on BNB. Suzuki, I don't know, man. I don't know what it's on. Push and text goes back to holders. 7% market, 3% liquidity, 2% reflection. So no burns. All right, no burns yet. No burn setup. It's only been off for a week. None yet. Yeah, I don't know. I saw the graph. It's only been off for a week, and it's actually done very well. So it's up 10x already since the very beginning. That's a huge gain, man. 10x is a huge gain in a week. So if you guys have 10x your money, you've done excellent over the last week here. It's absolutely, and it really is a beautiful graph. The only pullback you've had is right here. Somebody came in with a pretty big size sell order. What do they sell? 14,000. Assuming that's dollars. Somebody sold 14,000, almost $15,000 on this candle, and brought it back down. But dude, the overwhelming trend is still dramatically to the upside, and a $2 million market cap, still very low. $160,000 in liquidity. I mean, the numbers don't look bad. That's a very high tax. It's very high tax. I'll be a part of the marketing. Me too, man. Aren't we marketing it right now? We're talking about it with 40 people in here. That's marketing. 1% buy and sell tax. No rug pulls, just straight up gains, baby. Let's get started. Dark Bro Inu. There you go, Dark Bro. Clippers, is it possible for you to pull up MEXC charts? They are nice charts, and they have tons of gainers that you can't find anywhere else. I don't know if, I mean, I could pull up the coins on CoinMarketCap that are on MEXC, but I don't know. Let me... Yeah, so technically I can pull up MEXC charts here. It's probably, I mean, if you want the coin on there, it might be easier to view it on CoinMarketCap. I don't know if everybody cares about, you know, the order book on the left-hand side with the bid and the ask and all those prices ticking through and all of that stuff and all the other distractions on the screen there. But yeah, I can apparently pull up a MEXC chart here and look on MEXC graphing if you guys want. It's just, it might be cleaner to pull it up here and then have access to the websites and the contract addresses and stuff like that. That'd be my guess. If you want to look at the chart there, that might be a little cleaner in my opinion. Because I like to be able to pull the charts up and go over to Etherscan or Binance Scan, BSC, if you're looking at it. And I like the fact that if you look at a lot of these smaller tokens, you have Co Plus kind of rating them and all that stuff. Even the dip got devoured. That it did, David. That it did. Let's get started. My vote is for Chipbro coin. Chipbro coin would do very well. Or even better, Rodent Inu. No, there's no such thing as rodents, man. There's no such thing as rodents. All of them are good. Still waiting for Bidenomics to save our economy. Me too, next level. Let's just keep on waiting. December DeMarco is putting his name out there. No rogue pulling for Vegas Inu. I would hope not, David. I would hope not. And look, I don't know if it'll be a rug, but 11% tax, man. That's a very heavy tax on each side. 12% tax on each side is very heavy. You got to make a 25% gain before you break even. It's got to double in price before you really make 50%. So just keep it in mind, man. All we can do is joke about it, I guess. Next level, that's all we got, man. Bros, can you imagine the logo for Rodent Inu? I don't know what a rodent is. Don't know it. We're not stopping. It's only just getting started. Let's get started. Do people know that Inu means dog in Japanese? No. I did not know that. Giovanni, I do not speak Japanese, so I did not know it. Whatever happened to the squirrel? Josh, you mean the chipmunk? Oh, dude, Chipbro's doing good, man. Chipbro's doing good. They're all of the chipmunks are a little less active now than they were like 2 weeks ago. It's starting to get pretty cold here. It gets down to like 40 degrees at night, and today is going to be like a high of 54. So the chipmunks aren't like out and enjoying themselves and moving all around. I feel like they've done a lot of their I don't know, storing or harvesting for the winter, so they're just a lot less active right now than they have been over the last couple of weeks. Is there any more news on Shib Association? Michael, as of right now, no. So I did a couple videos, I think, over the weekend on Shib Association where they began to answer some of my questions, which I think is awesome. You know, I didn't even ask them any questions, and they were answering those questions on their Twitter account. But what do we know so far? Basically that there will be burns. Seems like the minimum burn per transaction is going to be a penny, and you will use Shiba Inu coin. So bridging over to the blockchain, what you're going to end up doing is buying a token that reflects the price of Shiba Inu. So when you buy on that blockchain, they're essentially going to be locking up Shiba Inu coin in order to, have their blockchain run and have their token ran. I don't know what the name of their coin is going to be. I don't know if it's going to be Shib Association, if it's going to be Shib 2.0. Like, I have no idea what the name of their coin is going to be. But it could just be Shib, right? It should be pegged to the price of Shiba Inu coin and create utility for Shib. And at the same time, every transaction, they stated, will burn a minimum, I believe, of like, I don't know what the percentage was, 0.1% or something. But with a minimum of 1 cent, maximum, if you're trading over $100,000, I think they said the fee was going to be like $10. So there's a minimum and maximum fee. And hopefully it works out very well, man, because they seem to be pretty excited about it. Stake your chip, bro, and earn seeds, baby. If you acquire enough seeds, you can purchase your very own NFT deed to your treehouse. Dude, JB is on it, man. JB is on it. JB, that sounds like something I'm interested in, man. He's already got the entire ecosystem being built up around Chip Bro and the seeds. Yeah, because Chip Bro does love seeds, man. So I like the way you're thinking, JB. I like it a lot. How about the rats at Bonarium? Dude, they've been very quiet lately. I've been looking at a lot of their stuff. Shitoshi trying his best to, like, I don't know, break into the Swifties by posting the lyrics for Bad Blood, Taylor Swift's song. At the same time, kind of, thinking it was genius because it plays off of, what is it, Bad Idea AI or whatever that coin is. So, he was trying his hand at a viral marketing message there by getting the Taylor Swift fans to jump on, which obviously did not happen. And you're getting, like, no information out surrounding Shibarium, surrounding the future, surrounding growth or progress or what they're working on or anything. So they've been very quiet, man. I don't know why they've been so quiet, but they've been quiet. Man, look at Tesla on the minute chart, guys. Trying to break, unable to break. Is Tesla going to break above this intraday level of resistance or not? We have yet to see. These two green lines right here really making it bounce back up $1 from these levels in 2 minutes, and then basically unable to make a breakout for the last, I don't know what this is, 40 minutes here? Yeah, roughly 40 minutes. So very heavy level of resistance being set up at the $253 range for Tesla, unable to break. And then, of course, it's resulting in the same deal happening for the QQQ over here, unable to break back up above, and may end up getting rejected off that level and coming back down. So that's what you got to keep your eyes on. Intraday levels of resistance seem to be holding up pretty strong for Tesla. And then, of course, that's affecting the overall markets as well. JB, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Ask him when Shiba Moon. It'll probably be an auto ban, roulette wheel. It'll probably be an auto ban, man. Somebody Margo, Vegasino. Let's get started. Dude, Tyler, all of you guys really like Vegas. Listen, I appreciate you guys being in here for real. Treehouse NFT, let's get started. YouTube's going off about Bitcoin ETF. YouTube is going off about the Bitcoin ETF going live. Yeah, but it's not live. It's not live yet, right? That was fake news this morning with the Bitcoin ETF going live. Dude, this is ridiculous. This testing of this resistance level is ridiculous on Tesla here. Like, why is there such strong resistance at 253 on Tesla? Why is it unable to break? To me, that's nuts. Sam the Discord. Sam Demand in the Discord. Is Sam Demand in the Discord right now? Let's go over. He's not in the supporters chat anymore, right? He's in the community chat. I don't know if he is or not. Oh, yes. He's still got a green name. Is he blocked? Hold on. Let me just check. Make sure this dude's not blocked. Just give me 2 seconds. Sam Demand was blocked, guys. Yeah, Sam Demand was blocked. So he was right on that one. All right, he's unblocked. I'm going to come in here and see who else is blocked. I don't know why he was blocked, but... All right. Make sure nobody else is blocked. Nah, it doesn't seem like anybody else with real accounts. What's this dude doing, man? Oh gosh, I don't know what Sam's posting in the Discord right now, but he's no longer blocked from the channel. All right, he's no longer blocked from the channel. And whoever deleted that picture there, there's a good call on that one. So glad to love from the High Rollers, Vegas Eno fan, Mike Jones. Who? Mike Jones. Who? Mike Jones. What's going on, man? And look at that rejection on Tesla right there. Are we going to get 2 big red lines coming in after that? It does look like it. Guys, that is why you got to keep your eyes on resistance levels. We tried for an hour to break through that 253 mark on Tesla, and now it's throwing some large reds. Watch out for that, but that is the importance of support and resistance lines, man. My goodness, throwing a big old red line on there, coming down. But if you want to know how to buy Vegas Inu, then scroll back up to the longer comment I made above. David, I don't think I'm going to buy it, but tax is known and told how it's broken down. Things are out in the open. Well, yeah, but you don't know where to find them if there's no website. Summer Norga's putting it out. Yeah. Even got the dip. David, I just scrolled up through a lot of messages, man, and it didn't come across. Look, I probably won't buy Vegas Inu, but if anybody else does, I'm sure. Just go check out December DeMarco either on his YouTube channel or go check out his Twitter account, and I'm sure he's got it posted how to buy Vegas Inu on there. But like I say, man, I probably won't buy it. Clay, do you think the BRIC countries are going to go to crypto? Bitcoin to get out of the US dollar? Does BlackRock know this? That's why they're trying for their Bitcoin ETF. Giovanni, my best guess is no. I don't think that they're going to be going to Bitcoin. They could be going to a centralized crypto that they create. I don't think there's I don't actually know of anybody other than, El Salvador, that has embraced crypto as like their national currency. Why? They need the control. El Salvador can't print more Bitcoin, guys. They can't control it the way that they control a fiat currency. So I would say no, they're probably not going to go to a Bitcoin. They may go to a coin that they can control. Kombu! Happy birthday to my son Elijah, 5 years old today. Oh, this is the perfect way to sign off, man. It's already 1 o'clock, and you know what we're going to be doing right now. I want to see 45 of you guys saying happy birthday to Kombu's kid, Elijah, man. Elijah, I don't know if you're listening right now, but if you are, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elijah. Happy birthday to you. 5 years old, man. That is absolutely awesome. And hopefully you guys have a great birthday cake, some ice cream. Enjoy it. And Kombu, man, congratulations on that. That is absolutely incredible, man. Look at all these birthdays coming through. I like it. JB saying happy birthday. Kenneth in the house. What's going on, Kenneth? Dark Bro saying happy birthday. Next Level saying happy birthday. 775 Bree Guy not saying it yet. Michael saying happy birthday. Gorilla saying happy birthday. Air Jordan saying happy birthday. Sam Demand. No more blocked, Sam Demand. No more blocked. Franchise. Vegas Inu has a warning that it's a honeypot. I don't know if it is or not, franchise. I don't know if it is or not. No idea. Happy birthday. Thank you, GeoPed. Suzuki. SD saying happy birthday. Mark saying happy birthday. Dude Tyler saying happy birthday. I love it, guys. Happy birthday. All right, you know what to do. It is 1 o'clock, so we're going to get your names in the chat right now. Get your names in the chat by saying happy birthday if you want to, but I'm going to go in. I'm going to do the shout-outs, and then we will be back this afternoon. Appreciate all of you guys for being in here, keeping the chat going, keeping the chat awesome, enjoying the morning stream, man. And we're going to enjoy the afternoon stream just as much. So we got the franchise. Shout out to you, franchise. Geoped, man. See you later. Suzuki, Dude Tyler, Dark Bro. Enjoy your afternoon, Dark Bro. Mark LSD, Next Level, Sam Demand. See you later, Sam Demand. David, High Rollers, Bree Guy, Giovanni, Benjamin. Enjoy your afternoon, Benjamin. Mercy. Have a great day today. Sam Demand, Never Ignore, dude. Enjoy your afternoon. Nunya, Kenneth. See you later, Kenneth. We got Next Level, Mercy, Giovanni, Geoped, Mark L, Suzuki, Sam Demand. We get just another fact. Happy birthday to Elijah. Thank you very much. Just another fact to Tyler. See you later, man. Josh SD, later to you. Next Level 775. Dark Bro saying happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elijah. Happy birthday to you. Dark Bro throwing a cake out there for Elijah's birthday, man. Thank you very much, Dark Bro. And we got the cake. And we got the ice cream as well. Thank you very much for the Thank you very much for the ice cream. Thank you very much for the cake, Dark Bro. Appreciate you on that one, man. Mercy. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Appreciate you, dude. We got Dude Tyler, Pudgy, man. Still ignored, never ignored, Pudgy. We got Kombu, Dark Bro, Sam the Man, Dark Bro, Giovanni, Josh, Suzuki. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Dark Bro saying, let's get that superhero, super bro, super chat. Dark Bro, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that, man. Happy birthday to Elijah. Shout outs to Dark Bro, Pudgy, Giovanni, Pudgy, Sam the Man, Bree Guy, Nunya, Long, Sam, David, JT, Long, Dark Bro, 775, Bree Guy, JB. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.